Starting Amazon FBA and smart arbitrage with SUP dropshipping involves leveraging multiple strategies to maximize profits. Here's a concise guide. Market research. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to identify profitable products with high demand and low competition. Supplier research. For smart arbitrage, find discounted products on retail sites like Walmart, Target, or clearance sections. For SUP dropshipping, research reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Sellwho, or DHgate. Register. Create an Amazon Seller Central account. Choose between individual or professional plans based on your selling volume. Fulfillment setup. Opt for Fulfillment by Amazon, where Amazon handles storage, packaging, and shipping. Arbitrage products. Purchase products at lower prices from retail stores or online marketplaces. Ensure the items are in good condition and have a profitable margin. Dropshipping with SUP. Connect with SUP dropshipping suppliers. Use their platform to source products and automate order fulfillment. Create listings. List your products on Amazon with optimized titles, descriptions, and images. Use keywords to improve search visibility. FBA inventory. For arbitrage products, ship your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Follow Amazon's packing and shipping guidelines. Dropshipping. With SUP dropshipping, orders are automatically forwarded to the supplier for fulfillment. They handle shipping directly to the customer. Sales tracking. Use Amazon Seller Central to track sales, inventory, and performance metrics. Replenishment. Regularly replenish FBA inventory to avoid stockouts. Monitor dropshipping orders to ensure timely delivery. Customer service. Maintain high customer service standards to ensure positive feedback and high seller ratings.